unfortunately, the government is bargaining in the media. They are bargaining in hotel lobbies. The minister has said that he's given our general secretary, our bargaining team, a letter stating that he is going to protect full-day kindergarten. That hasn't happened at the table. And that is where bargaining needs to happen. It doesn't mean anything unless it's there. And that's what they need to do. They need to come back to the table. They need to keep the promise they've made in the media to the public. They need to do that at the table and protect full-day kindergarten. And they need to understand that we aren't here about compensation. We aren't here about us. We are here about the students. Our working conditions, which we're fighting for, are our students' learning conditions. Smaller class sizes, supports for special needs. The children with special needs, those numbers are not decreasing, they're increasing. So the funding cannot decrease for the number of students that is increasing. It doesn't make any sense. These are the things that we're fighting for. They help all of our students, all of our children. I'm a parent. I'm out here not only as an educator, I'm out here as a parent. I want the world-class public education system that we have. I want it for my own children. And that is why I am here in this weather fighting for it.
Four nations gotta go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho!